Now I will show the shortcode for clutch actuator problem. We can have the three code, okay? Also one of them it will for TCM. It's one about the sensor of the on the clutch actuator is P0, as I remember, 808. After that I will show the blink code about P0900. This code can be for clutch actuator motor and also for TCM if the TCM is burned. And the P0810, it's, we know this is 35 number, the code number 35 on the manual mode. Okay, so how to I will do it? I will disconnect sensor, check the trouble code on the computer, and after that check with the blink code. Okay, so let's go on. So I turn off the switch. Let's start with trouble code for the sensor. This is the sensor. I'm disconnect the sensor on the clutch actuator. Oop. Now it's disconnected. And let's check what it will the trouble code. Turn on the switch. Let's connect to the gearbox. As I said, it's P0808 clutch position sensor, circuit high. Okay, let's make the screenshot. Now turn off the switch. I will connect the wire and we'll check with the blink code. Let's look. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26. 2, 7, 8. Ага. $26. $26 and 28. So let's check what is this. 26 and 28. Please. Malfunction of the clutch position sensor. This is the trouble code. This is P0808. Okay. Let's connect it again. Let's turn off the switch. Let's connect it. and let's disconnect the motor. Yes. Now it's disconnected. You see? Let's remove the wire, connect my computer. Now we will receive the two codes. Yeah, you see, this was before and this at this moment. Let's clear it, and one will come back again. Okay. Yes, this is the trouble code of the clutch actuator electrical motor problem, or this code can be for TCM. If transmission control module is burned, it will has this code same. Okay, now let's turn off the switch and let's check what it will the blink code, short blink code. Again the wire up. $21. Yes, it's 21. Let's find it. Where is the 21? Oh, malfunction in the clutch drive circuit. This code is this code. That's all. So as you can see, everybody can check this MMT, can do diagnostic, can do learning without personal computer. Just can't erase the trouble codes. Okay, but I know how to erase. If you know how to reprogram the TCM, I can send you the file. Sometimes I have without trouble codes, maybe. Okay. So guys, thank you for watching my video. If you need some help or some questions, also I'm selling all parts for this. I'm selling the refurbished clutch actuator, gear selector, actuator, all parts for this Toyota MMT. I know a lot. I can help for everybody. Thank you and good luck.